Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I am back with a video. Is that my intro? I don't even know anymore. It's been so long. Please excuse, I haven't turned the lights on. I just can't be bothered. So I don't really have anything planned as per usual, but I just wanted to put a video out. So I'm just filming and we'll see what happens. Okay, let's fix that. So, little story time while I'm doing my foundation. So, as you all know, I went to Singapore recently. I was on holiday there, and to make it a little bit cheaper for the flights there, we did like a stopover sort of thing. So we landed in Bali first and then went to Singapore. When we got to Bali, they stole my selfie stick. They confiscated it because I had it in my like carry-on luggage. I didn't have it in like the checked baggage. They're like, sorry, you can't bring that on the plane, even though I had it on the plane from Perth to Bali, but from Bali to Singapore they wouldn't let me. So that was rude. So now my setup is just like sticky tape my phone to the wall. It's not sticky tape, I've got like a gel pad thing. Ow, that nose piercing hurts. But yeah, so I mean, it's easy enough. That's not a booger. That is my piercing. I don't know how to tuck it in. It really hurts for some reason. But yeah, it's easy enough to go just like buy a selfie stick, but I'm lazy. So yeah, that's a fun little story for you. If you're somebody who's been watching my channel since I started this whole little like fun makeup journey, oh my god, look how bad that is. It's not that bad, I just my eyebrows need a good plucking and I can't be bothered, so we're gonna deal with that. But yeah, if you've been watching my channel the whole time, in my first video, 1, I'm sick, so like I just sound like a doofus, but 2, I'm just like so like nervous and don't know how to like talk to a camera. But like, yeah, it's so weird how, I don't know, you talk to a camera? I don't know. Back to the look. Excuse me, do I just look like I should be making dinner for my family of 4? My husband's going to return from the war at any second. There he is now. Husband! See? You're so cute! Yes, you are. What was I saying? So anyway, as I said before, actually I don't know if I said this before, but today's look is just very simple. Nothing too extravagant. Just like a... This is the kind of thing I do for work, like... Didn't notice when I was doing my makeup, like, I was fucking looking in the mirror, but my brush had green on it, so my highlighter's kind of like muddy in this whole look, so... Just quick fill in bits and bobs so I don't look too dead. I'm gonna go for like just like a nice little peach thing. I'm gonna bring it under my eye here. And it's just gonna like circle around into my crease as well. That's really cute. I love that color. It's just like soft energy. I'm really liking a soft aesthetic recently. Like this is just giving me like such gentle vibes. Even though like I dyed my hair like brown and that's like not soft. I think, I don't know, because my hair's dark, I feel like I need to bring the soft energy. My hair can't do it for me. But yeah, wasn't that a fun little story? Cool, so that's our little soft peachy blur happening there. I want to do some eyeliner just to frame my eyes a little bit. Now, I don't have like a mirror really in front of me anywhere. I'm just kind of looking in the camera. I've got a tiny mirror here, which I can attempt to use. So I don't know how well this eyeliner is going to turn out, but let's give it a shot. That'll do, I guess. And then we'll, I mean, okay, so I have been loving fake lashes recently, but I can't be bothered with that right now. So we're just going in with some mascara. This is honestly such a simple look. And I'm pretty sure I've done a similar look to this on my channel before. But who doesn't care? I think the peachy color like brings out the blue in my eyes, I think. I don't know, it's nice. Now we're just going in with some lipstick. I'm just going for a nude. I have the Jeffree Star nudes. The Jeffree Star nudes palette, I don't know, what do you call them? Mini bundle. Y'all know that I've got the rainbow collection, and you guessed it, Jamie bought it. I said I didn't want it, but she got it anyway. Which I love, because of course I love things. I do like receiving gifts, I just like don't think it's necessary. I don't want anyone to think that like they need to give me things for, I don't know, whatever reason. Why would you give me things? I don't know. I'm the most irritating person on this planet. Anyway, I have tried all these nudes over the past few weeks and I literally love them all. My favorite was probably slow down, Tian. Just slow down. My favorite has been Family Jewels. It's such a nice, like, not quite nude, it's a darker nude, and it's just so pretty. Nathan is like a perfect like nude for my lip, like my true nude. Am I even speaking right now? I'm like really struggling to get things out of my mouth. Birthday suit is really pretty. Christmas cookie, quite pink, but like nice too. I'm nude, very nude. That like makes me look naked. And then obviously the more darker chocolatey colors, they are not a true nude on my white ass, but they are still really pretty colors nonetheless. Probably not gonna go for one of those for today's look. I might try the nude one, and if it's not floating my boat, I think I'll go for one of the pinkier toned nudes. So let's give this one a shot. I can get on board with that. That's so cute, honestly. If you're just looking for something like really simple. So yeah. Oh my god. There we have it. That's the final look. Just a very simple, like, not too much coverage, just like very simple nude moment. Simple like nude, very nude, like simple nude moment. I just wanted to add, if there are any videos that you want to see from me, a specific look, if you want me to show you how to brush your teeth, clean a dog, I don't know, anything. When I'm not at work, I just do nothing with my life. So I film YouTube videos instead of trying to make friends and trying to speak English. Yeah, I should work on that, should I? I should make some friends. I literally only hang out with one person. I don't know if that's unhealthy. Comment down below if that's unhealthy. But yeah, I will be back. Maybe not next Friday. I don't know, Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know. I don't have a particular schedule these days. It'll just be whenever I decide to upload. So enjoy that, not knowing when I'll be back. So thank you so much for joining me. Have a good day. Goodbye. And I don't know what to say now.